second thing which I want to talk about, I spoke to one or two people on that. I don't know. Smita, has she joined? Smita Brahmbe? No, she hasn't joined. Okay. I had a one-to-one call with her, and I had probably missed out on this session. Or probably we had a session when I spoke about self-visualization. Has anyone attended that webinar? Not a webinar. My inner circle of that long back. It was there. I don't have a recording of that, but I intend to tell you that now. I just want to convey that also. The same thing. It's a small exercise which you have to do it on a daily basis. If you believe in visualization, and I would suggest and strongly suggest that everyone in this community believe in visualization, right? Visualization in your self-visualization. How do you visualize yourself, right? Without psoriasis. Now, in this case, is psoriasis. Otherwise, you can visualize, because visualization is a very, very, very big power of yourself, which we are not utilizing it, right? I had done it since 1997. I had left it for some reason in between, right? All these books. I got one book up there, right? Norman Vincent Peale, right? This person, this is the first person who introduced me to self-visualization, self-image, right? Self-imaging, which is there. Or there's a book called Psycho-Cybernetics, right? A book by Maxwell Schultz, right? He is the father of self-imagining kind of thing, which he started writing on personal development, right? And then when I tell you to go through Strangest Secret of the World, that is also a version of your self-imagination only. Goal, yes, you need to have a goal, but imagine yourself to be in that position now. So what is self-imagination? See, it's like a memory which you have to run it, which is not a memory, right? So it's like a memory, you have to run it. Memory in sense, imagine any situation where you have been successful or you have done something good and you have achieved something. There could be some small achievement, even cutting an onion also, which you have learned, could be an achievement, right? And that could be a big achievement for you that time. Imagine that and feel that imagination. How did you feel in that situation, right? So that's a memory. So you can easily recollect that kind of a memory, right? So now in this case, when you want to self-image yourself, what do you have to do is imagine which is not happened till now. What is that? Is you seeing free of psoriasis, right? You have to imagine yourself being free of psoriasis in a location where you want to be. Like now, my next is going to be Mount Everest, right? I'm not climbing Mount Everest. I'm saying Mount Everest base camp. That's the first, which I missed about 3 years back. It was just when I was getting out of my psoriasis. I couldn't go with my friends there. So they did that. But now I imagine myself to be there. But now anyway, I'm out of psoriasis to do that. But that imagination has helped me to bring that into bring it true also, right? A lot of things are like that. So one imagination I was doing for myself was wearing shorts and a waist, which the photograph which is there, literally that photograph was with a red waist, which I was wearing. I was imagining that and I was wearing that the first time when I did that, right? So I don't know how did it happen, or did my subconscious mind, it works like that. Your subconscious mind triggers you to do that, right? So how do you do that? Okay. Now, how do you do that? See, if you close your eyes now, also, everyone close your eyes and see, can you see yourself? Can you see your own face? Right? You could see your body. I'll tell you what will happen. You could see your body, but it is very difficult to see your own face. Just close your eyes, right? Just close your eyes, everyone. And can you see your face? Can you see your face? You will see your body outline somewhat, but imagining your own face, right? Now come down, close your eyes, come down and see your body without psoriasis. Can you imagine that? Can you imagine that? Okay, open your eyes. Okay, So open your eyes now. Yeah. If you could imagine, then your imagination power is to the level, right? Please do that every day. Every day. Right? If you can't see yourself now, most of the 90% of the people do not see themselves because that is a big block. That is the block which we are not seeing ourselves without psoriasis. Right? The day you start seeing yourself by just closing your eyes and doing it, your psoriasis will start vanishing. Right? I don't know how, but it does. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Of course, this medication or this diet, what you're trying to do, everything will work. But along with that, if you need to speed it up, okay. Nusha, okay. Ashu, okay, fine. Okay, I'll just repeat it once here. Okay. 1 minute. Let me see the chats also. I think so. I am missing the chats. Okay. Okay, image was not clear, but I could see without psoriasis. Okay, fine. Yeah, that's what happens, Ashu. Exactly. That's what happens. You could see some parts of your body which you can, but you can't see your own face. That's the big block which has to be taken out. How do you do that? Okay. The trick is you take a photograph of yourself. Right? Whatever part of the body, I'm not telling you to do it nude or anything. I'm not saying that. If you want to do it, you can, right? But the way you want to look in whatever dress you want to see yourself, shorts, waist, right? Have t-shirts or whatever you want to wear, right? Skirts, ladies which are there, right? Shorts they want to wear also, right? Anything which they want to wear that kind of thing. Take a photo. Tell someone to take a photograph of that, right? Photoshop that photograph without that psoriasis marks what you have. Right? There are a lot of Photoshoppers who can do that. Anyone, your kids can do it, or yourself can also do it. It's quite easy to do on a Photoshop, or go on Paint, right? On Windows, if you are on Windows, go on Paint. You can do that. Photoshop that. उसको rubber से जो होता है software में, उसको rubber से निकाल दो, right? Put that color what you really want to see, or just rub it off. Photoshop that. Take a printout at that photograph, right? And see that every day morning when you wake up and when you are sleep, when you go to sleep, right? दो बार देखना है. जब उठते ही देखना है, right? और जब सोते, when you are sleeping, when you are literally going to drowse yourself, right? नींद आती है, नींद आने चालू हो जाती है, तब देखना है. Why these two times? Because your mind goes in a theta mode, right? There are different kind of sleep levels which are there. So theta is one which takes you into a dream kind of thing, and that dream is run through a subconscious mind, right? So it is very powerful in that moment of time. Yes, that's the time. Exactly, that's the time your subconscious mind is ready to receive, ready to. How does it happen? Because of the theta. There are different levels, there are different frequencies which your brain works on. Right? Beta, theta. So theta is the one which is when you just wake up early in the morning or early, whatever time you wake up, right? And while you're drowsing, when you're going to sleep, जब सोने जा रहे हो तब, ये 2 बार उस photograph को देखना है, right? And like this is for psoriasis, right? For anything, for any other thing, if you want to have any goals which you want to have, right? If you have your goals written down, right? If you have your goals written down like this, right? And this one, if you have, read that goal at the same time also. See a photograph, definitely, and read that goal when you wake up and while sleeping at the same time, right? It registers down into your subconscious mind, imprints it, and you do it for 21 days. Get a habit of doing this every day. 21 days, and you will start getting into that mode. Why 21 days? It's a magic number. There's something called Fibonacci numbers, right? Fibonacci numbers is I'll talk about that later on. Not now. Fibonacci was an Italian mathematician. He took that credit. He didn't take a credit, actually. He wrote a book on that saying that this is from India, this number series which is there. There was a famous mathematician in India in 2000 something. I don't know BC and AD. I get a little confused, but his name was Pingala, right? Pingala was a great mathematician who discovered this number series which was there. So 21 is that has come from 2 plus 1, 3. 3 is a Fibonacci number. I call it Fibonacci, or everyone no one talks about Pingala number, it talks about Fibonacci numbers. So 21 days is because of that 2 plus 3 as a 3 as a number which is there. And that is the one, a magic number for everyone, because in 21 days, you start registering, your subconscious mind starts listening to you. Okay, in 21 days. Why everything in 21? Mantra padho to 21 bar rato, 21 bar likho. Why that is done? Because that number, that is the thing which your subconscious mind understands. That frequency, when it goes into a daily kind of a level, when do they have to do it? On the same time, on the same day. Right? Sorry, not on the same day. I'm saying every day, same time. What is that time? When you wake up and when you are just drowsing into sleep. Right? So do those, ye dono cheese, goal reading and imagining yourself looking at your own picture without psoriasis Photoshop kiya hua. Right? Waisa picture bana ke, you see it every day, things will start working much better. I think so. I missed this to say in the forum like this, but I had did it about long back. Uska recording nahi hai mere paas, but it's good. I spoke to Smita. I don't know if she's there on the call now. I told her to be on the call today also. So I spoke to her on Monday, I guess, and this came in our conversation. Right, हमारे conversation में आया ये, and then I thought that I probably haven't done it in this forum, so I should be doing it. So that's one. Imagination works miracles. Please do it. Everyone, please do that. Sab log kijiye. Okay. So that's a bit of from me, from my end, right? And now let's take everyone's questions. Who all has a? Please raise your hand if you want to go up and talk, please. Yeah. Or probably let me open up one more. Probably let me see.